Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLMT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Past couple of days have been very, very solid, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and you can see volume has picked up quite a bit more than what the chart is normally used to seeing. So let's first start by mapping out some levels of support. Then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be $7.65, and if the price can continue to hold above that. I use the word continue very deliberately because you can see here several times the bears have tried to press down below that level, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls are doing a great job of holding strong. So again, as long as the price stays above that point, that's certainly going to be the best case scenario going forward. In the event the price cannot hold above that, next level of support after that would be here at, what is that? $7.35. So $7.65, $7.35, two of the nearer term levels of support. But taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, and really just a way to kind of simplify everything is using that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is just going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So a very simplistic way to look at all this in terms of, hey Clay, how do I gauge the strength of the overall move or the lack of strength? Simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line as the line itself moves its way upwards, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full strength, no questions asked. Now what about areas of resistance? If this upwards movement is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Short-term level of resistance, which I'm sure if you're watching level 2s during the afternoon today, you can see that on several occasions the price tried to break up through 805, but just couldn't quite do that. In the event the price can push up through there, let's go to another time frame here, because always a good problem to have, because the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. So I know it's getting harder to see, but again, like I said, this is for a good problem to have, assuming you're long. So next level after that, right up there at about $8.70. So at the end of the day, any way you slice it, it all really boils down to this fact right here. As long as the price keeps on building higher bases, which it's been doing a good job of, the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So it'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.